Hey guys, it's me, BTnGy, and I am right now my friend Brandflakes. Yes, that is the Brandflakes4547. It's microwaving and he's uploading some videos of us microwaving stuff. Yes, I got the idea from him, and we got it from someone else, and I'm gonna find some glue to microwave. Here we go. Oh yeah, Christmas tree. Yes, we celebrate Christmas. If you don't, great for you. Okay, here we come. This is my microwave over here. Okay, open. Oh yeah, from other events. Stand up glue. So yeah, there's my glue. My trademark is 4 minutes. Oh yeah, those sparks are from previous experiments. The glue's not doing much. Kind of making me angry. Come on, Mr. Glue. You can do something for once. Whoa! Okay. That was so cool. There's more stuff exploding. As you see, I don't know if you can see, when there's a flash of fire, right now you can see the lid is off the glue. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's just popped off. Maybe it fell over. So, okay. Just watching it work. That's pretty cool. Right now it is at 240, just above. It's really catching some flames. And we are going to stop, pop it open, and see the damage. Trusty shovel, so I don't burn myself. Oh! That was what was burning. It smells like adhesive too. Okay, it's me, BTnGy, and this has been a Poly Productions. I know that's gay, so please send me something better. Brandflakes said I had to do it, and since he's Brandflakes, I listen to him. And my trash bucket. Okay, peace out.